How many books is too many books?
Not applicable.
There's never too many books.
I don't understand the question.
Libraries. Researchers believe that they first began about 5,000 years ago. I didn't exist then, but I do now. My name is Turner. I'm a youth engagement specialist at the Hilltop Branch, and today we're going to be traveling across several Columbus Metropolitan Library branches to learn about the unique things staff have planned for their teens at their locations. It'll be a quick trip around. If it does take a little bit too long, please don't tell my mom that I lied to you. Franklinton. Named after well-known lightning connoisseur Benjamin Franklinton. We are here talking to Trisha at the Franklinton branch about teen programs that are going on this summer. Trisha, share a little bit about what we got for teens.
Yeah, of course. So we have our volunteer program over the summer, and within our volunteer program, we have Power Snacks, which happen once a week. Our volunteers come in and we have a snack, we have a bit of a social hour, and we also work on a summer-long art project as well. So that's drawing, painting, sometimes we're knitting, just whatever the teens are inspired to do throughout the summer.
Why should a teen come here and be a volunteer?
Absolutely. So we are a smaller branch. Our building's pretty small, but our community is very close. So our teens that do participate get very close over the summer. We're all a tight little fam, and it's a great opportunity, again, to do those art projects and to learn about one another. And usually our teens remain friends throughout the school year as well.
Rate my outfit on a scale from 1 to 10.
Oh my gosh, 15, stop.
You heard it here, 15, folks. The Aurora Borealis. Geomagnetic storms. Bright sky waves. Or, as they like to call it around here, the Northern Lights. We are here with Miranda at the Northern Lights branch. Miranda, why don't you tell us a little bit about the teen activities programs you got going on here?
Really, like, art is their thing. Music, a lot of music we like to do. We just shot a music video the other day. We want to do like an art show to get all of them together, display their art. And I want it to be teen-led. So I'm going to take a step back a little bit and let them do their thing.
Why should someone come to the Northern Lights branch to be a volunteer specifically? Why should they be coming here?
I mean, I'm cool. But you know what? That's like this much of the job, you know? But no, in all seriousness, we have a lot of great kids here. Our staff is awesome. We're a huge team, and we just love to support the youth.
Rate my outfit on a scale from 1 to 10.
It's like 100.
100. That's the highest score.
Yeah. If I could say infinity.
We only speak truth here at the library. Miranda, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Be sure to check out what's going on at the Northern Lights branch. Driving Park was named after several horse racing and car racing tracks around here. By no means an invitation to bring your horse into the library. Of course, if you have a book that's about horses, you do need to bring that back. But if it's a horse-sized book, I don't think that'll fit in the return drop, so don't bring that in. And today, Aaron will be talking to us about some teen services things they got going on. Has there been a recent community event that teens were really excited about or your community was really excited about?
We had an amazing hair fair just this past weekend. It was 2 days ago. We had over 900 people coming here, and we had 25 different community resources. We had hats, bonnets, do-rags, headbands, all kinds of stuff for kids to do. And we also had a mobile haircutting unit here in the parking lot, so you could get free haircuts.
What do the teens that are here seem to be into, the ones that are just dropping in every day?
You know, they've told us that they really like to do the crafting. They really like to interact. One of the things we just started is our improv troupe, which we're doing on Fridays every once in a while. And we're hoping to get more teens to come in and just kind of be silly and learn to act in fun and different ways.
Rate the outfit, scale of 1 to 10.
I'm going to give it an 8 just because that tie is on point.
Come take a look. Everyone is asking, is Columbus perfectly flat? Just like the Earth? No. Luckily, we have one hill, and it is rumored to be here in the Hilltop, and more specifically at the Hilltop Branch Library. Let's take a look around, see if we can find that hill. Christy and Andy, thank you for sharing about teen things going on. What do they seem to be into at your location? What do they do when they're dropping in after school, hanging out, just hanging, doing their thing?
Video games and RPGs. So Roblox is one of the most favorite things that they have here. You'll watch as the entire teen room fills up in the afternoon.
And then you have the other side of the teen room where they'll get all around the U Media equipment. We see those iPads come out. We've got a lot of local artists.
Can you maybe do your elevator pitch of why someone should be a volunteer at the Hilltop Branch?
Oh, absolutely. We have a huge program that we do. Every year we have volunteers come in and they help run that summer reading challenge. But we also have prizes as they go. We have a pizza party, an ice cream social, all kinds of fun things while they're earning service hours toward work.
And then lastly, can you rate my outfit on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm going to give that a solid 7.2. The tie is really pulling it in today.
I was going to go with a 7-2 because that's the classiest number.
Everyone, come to the Hilltop Branch. If you're interested in becoming a volunteer at one of the Columbus Metropolitan Library branches, you can go to our website, columbuslibrary.org/teens. The application is up now. You can go pick which branch you want to volunteer at and become a volunteer. If you want to learn more about programs or events going on at your library branch, our website has an events tab. All of our events are free, and you just can show up, drop in. We'll see you there.